Okay, so this time we've already looked at some of the hard clashes, and we did notice that there was no columns clashing with any of the doors. If there was windows in the model, I'd be tempting to just do exactly the same thing again, but against windows. But this time, let's look at soft clashes. So we're going to choose this time a clearance clash, and what I maybe look at is what's the distance that we're looking round about that. So we might look at something like 500 millimeters, so 0.5 meters. Again, let's choose columns, and we'll say on level 0 doors. So again, it's columns versus doors, and we noticed there was no hard clashes, but any columns that are half a metre near a door this time should be shown up. There we go. So this time what we've got to look at is, do you see that as being an issue? So again, what we can do is we can zoom in, zoom out, and we can choose active against that. Clash 2, that also looks like an issue to me. So yep, we can say active. Clash 3, so these are happening all the way along level 0. Active. And then this one, this doesn't look like it is actually an issue. So we could just say that it has been approved, for example. And then this clash here. So let's pick up on that. That also looks like it could be an issue as well. So active issue. And the reason I'm choosing approved against that, if the door is opening, it genuinely didn't look like it was going to be an issue for the door opening. That column may already be in a wall. Again, during assessment, you're not really being assessed on what you choose in here. It's more that you can actually run the clash itself. So let's say add test, and we would say column versus door on level 1. So we'll choose columns. So again, columns, although it's on level 1, columns start on level 00, so we need to choose them there. But architecture, we are going to go to level 1 and columns versus doors, clearance clash. There we go. So because I've actually clicked in the model, let's see if we can go and find it. There we go. So just editing the view, and I'll show you why it's quite important that we edit the view. So we can see that's active, and then just work your way through the model just to choose whether it looks like an active soft clash or not. So each of these definitely look like the column is in the way of the door. Again, that one doesn't, so we can just say that one has been approved. Okay, or resolved, that's fine. So approved for us is okay. If you need to actually go in and fix it, then you can go back in and say this active one, for example, I've fixed, and we can go back into resolved for that.